Amidst the stillness of winter, your presence is akin to the silent snow owl gliding across a landscape, cloaked in white. This creature thrives in stealth, using its keen eyesight to hunt what remains hidden, navigating through both the visible and unseen. Just as the owl finds nourishment in the depths of the bleakest landscape, you possess the ability to uncover opportunities where others might overlook them. In moments of quiet reflection, you hold the power to discern truths obscured in plain sight, drawing strength from your intuition and wisdom. Allow the silence around you to sharpen your focus, revealing the path forward in unexpected ways.